Good morning, children. So we quickly just revise our practice paper in this class, children. So first main is, what is the first main? Multiple choice questions. Dash is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Which is the capital of Tamil Nadu? I given questions with options. You have to tick for the right answer, children. So first one is Dash is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Option Chennai, Dispur, Bangalore, Gangtok. Answer is Chennai. Tick for the answer Chennai. Next, second one, which is the southernmost tip of mainland of India. Option is Indira Point. Second one is B option is Kanyakumari. C is Delhi. D option is Kerala. Which is the answer? Indira Point. Which is the southernmost tip of mainland of India? Indira Point. Next, third one. The Great Indian Desert is also called the Dash Desert. What we call that one? Great Indian Desert. Thar, Sahara, Kalahari, Atacama. Thar. Tick for the answer. Thar. Fourth one. The Himalayas have dash parallel ranges. 2, 3, 4, 5. How many parallel ranges are there? Himalayas. 3. Tick for the answer. 3. Kanchenjunga. Fifth one. Kanchenjunga is situated in the state of. Option Assam, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Manipur. What is the answer? Sikkim. Tick for the answer. Sikkim. Mussoorie is an important hill station in the state of Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Assam. Uttarakhand. What is the answer is Uttarakhand. Tick for the Uttarakhand. B option. Seventh one. India is divided into dash states and dash union territories. How many states and how many union territories are there? Option 25 and 6. Option B 29 and 7. Option C 24 and 5. Option D 20. Sorry, children. Option A 25 and 6. Option B 29 and 7. Option C 24 and 5. Option D 20 and 8. Which is how many states? 29 and 7 union territories. Then option B is answer. So see, children, once again I will repeat first main multiple choice questions. First one, or first question is, dash is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Option Chennai, Dispur, Bangalore, Gangtok. Which is the answer? Chennai. Second one is, which is the southernmost tip of mainland of India? Answer is, option is Indira Point, Kanyakumari, Delhi and Kerala. What is the answer? Indira Point. Third one. The Great Indian Desert is also called the Dash Desert. Thar, Sahara, Kalahari, Atacama. What is the answer? Thar. Fourth one. The Himalayas have dash parallel ranges. Option 2, 3, 4, 5. Option is 3. Kanchenjunga is situated in the state of dash. In which state it is there? Option is Assam, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Manipur. Answer is B option, Sikkim. Next, Mussoorie is an important hill station in the state of dash. Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Assam. What is the option? B option, Uttarakhand. Seventh one, India is divided into dash states and dash union territories. Option India, so see, children, India is divided into dash states and dash union territories. Option 25 and 6, 29 and 7, 24 and 5, 20 and 8. What is the option? 29 and 7. Next, second one is fill in the blanks. So in fill in the blanks, first question, dash is the capital of Mizoram. Which is the capital of Mizoram? Aizawl. What is the spelling? Aizawl. Aizawl. Which is the dash is the capital of Mizoram? Aizwal. Spelling Aizawal. Aizwal. Next, second one. The foothills of Himalaya is called the dash region. Shivalik. What is the answer is Shivalik. 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 The foothills of Himalayas is called the dash region. Shivalik. 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 Next, third one. Dash is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest. Dash is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest. MOUNT. Mount EVEREST. Mount Everest. Next, fourth one. The Himachal Pradesh is called as dash. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶನ? Fruit bowl of India. So the Himachal Pradesh is called as dash, fruit bowl of India. FRUIT, fruit, BOWL, bowl, OF of INDIA, India, fruit bowl of India. Next, fifth one. There are dash states in India. How many states are there? 29. There are 29 states in India. Next, sixth one. The capital of Assam is dash. Which is the capital of Assam? Dispur. What is the spelling? DISPUR. Dispur. Seventh one. India lies in the dash part of the Asian continent. Southern. India lies in the dash part of the Asian continent. Southern. What is the spelling? SOUTHERN. Southern. Eighth one. The southernmost point of India is dash. Indira Point. The southernmost point of India is dash. Indira Point. Spelling INDIRA. Indira. POINT. Point. Indira Point. Dash is the third highest peak in the world. Kanchenjunga. Which is dash is the third highest peak in the world. Kanchenjunga. Spelling KANCHENAJUNGA. Kanchenjunga. So I will repeat once again spelling. See children. What is the Kanchenjunga spelling? KANCHENAJUNGA. Kanchenjunga. Dash is the third highest peak in the world. Third highest peak. Which is the third highest peak? Kanchenjunga. Next, third main is state true or false for the following. So true or false you have to write, children. So first main is multiple choice questions. Second main is fill in the blanks. Third main is state true or false for the following. So first one is the valleys in the Himalayan ranges are called dunes. True. The valleys in the Himalayan ranges are called dunes. So what is the answer? True. Second one. Himadri is the name of foothills of Himalayas. False. Himadri is the name of foothills of Himalayas. False. What is the answer is? False. Third one. The Shivalik ranges lies between Himadri and Himachal. False. What is the third question? The Shivalik ranges lies between Himadri and Himachal. False. Fourth one. The glaciers in the greater Himalayas are the source of many important rivers. True. Glaciers in the greater Himalayas are the source of many important rivers. True. Fifth one. India is located in northwestern part of Asia. False. See, fifth one is India is located in the northwestern part of Asia. False. Sixth one is India is the second largest country in the world. False. India is the second largest country in the world. False. Seventh one. India has 25 states and 6 union territories. False. India has 25 states and 6 union territories. Answer is false. Eighth one. Pakistan and Sri Lanka are our neighboring countries. True. So Pakistan and Sri Lanka are our neighboring countries. Answer is true. Next main is match the following. So how to match the following carefully, children. What is plains means? Plains is a large area of flat land. A flat land is called plains, no? So match for that one. What is plains means? A large area of flat land. Desert. What is desert mean? A large area covered with sand. Desert, a large area covered with sand. Tableland. What is tableland means? It is like a table. The land is like a table. That one we call tableland. Next, fourth one, terai. What is terai mean? The foothills of the Shivaliks is called terai. So what is terai means? The foothills of the Shivaliks. Next, glacier. What is glacier means? A very slow moving river of ice. Glacier means a very slow moving river of ice. Baku. What is Baku means? A traditional dress of Sikkim. Baku means a traditional dress of Sikkim. Shikar means a small boat in Kashmir. A small boat in Kashmir is called shikar. Understood, children? See, once again I will repeat match the following. Plains means a large area of flat land. Desert means a large area covered with sand. Tableland, like a land. Terai, the foothills of Shivaliks. Glacier, a very slow moving river of ice. Baku, a traditional dress of Sikkim. Shikar, a small boat in Kashmir. Understood, children? Next main is name the capitals for the following states. Name the capitals for the following. They given states. You have to write capitals of their capitals, children. Himachal Pradesh, which is the capital, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur is a state which is the capital, Imphal. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Rajasthan, Jaipur. West Bengal, Kolkata. So once again I will repeat, see children, which is you have to write the capitals of the given states. States name na ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ capitals na ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So first one is Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Rajasthan, Jaipur. West Bengal, Kolkata. So we will continue our class in next class, children. You have to practice the new types. In this class we completed new types. So practice this one, children, in your rough book. Thank you. We will continue next class.